we're going to start, obviously, the first thing that everybody wants us to look at is Bitcoin. But how are you guys looking at everything? How is it feeling out there?
It's maximum fuck you season, basically, where I like to call it in the market. It'll liquidate you whether you're bullish or you're bearish.
Yeah. I feel exactly how that GIF was on the Discord of the clock and the guy crying. Just we're so bad, we're over. Yeah, it's really not fun. I'm hoping we can finally get some follow through on this range soon. Hopefully, possibly today even.
Because the thing is, we're getting volatility. Is just like the problem is that it's just not going up. It's going up and down like crazy, but within the same range, and it's not letting us really go for those delicious swings that we'd like to take. That's
the market keeps giving you. You seen the movie The Polar Express? It's like a classic Christmas movie.
Yeah, of course.
So there's that scene whenever he first gets on, then the conductor gives him a ticket, and he zooms in on the ticket and says round trip. The market keeps giving you those. Nothing but those this week.
Dude, I round trip every single one of my trades in the past week. I'm not gonna lie. I only made one trade yesterday. I made $300, and I was like, "That's it. I just need to take some money so that I can feel like I'm winning at something."
The funny part about all of that is all of the money you end up round tripping ends up equaling to the same amount of money you would have made if it actually went in your favor and you held all the way through.
Yeah. It's so and that's the most annoying part, to be honest with you. It's really frustrating. But let's get it. Let's look at what you guys are looking at. Whoever wants to share this screen.
I'll start with Bitcoin because I'm gonna have to head out at 11 o'clock to my flight.
Oh yeah. Yeah, very important trips. Look at foreign.
My brother's birthday.
Felicidades.
Feliz cumpleaños.
There you go.
All right, so which one shall I start on? I'm gonna start basically on. I'll start on the 5 day because the 5 day is one that has the active setup right now. Exactly.
There you go.
So the 5 day right now does have momentum flipped to the upside right now. It is breaking out of the bearish control zone with volatility currently flipping down. So as of this moment, you should be looking at this as a corrective move. But on the other hand, if you were to look at the last time a momentum was ever this low on the 5 day and it flipped back up and it crossed over the moving average, was right over here. If we look at where price was in that point, whenever we flip back up, it was basically literally the exact bottom. And then we went up only from there, basically absolutely vertical from around $53,000 to $100,000. That's a little bit worrying right now because my bias is leaning on the bear side. So I am going to have to point that out, that we are getting to those same areas where we're flipping back up on the momentum and we're getting over the moving average. Now I want to zoom in a little bit and see if it went lower. So we actually did. So momentum went a good amount lower than it did over here.